Welcome to Lakshman Biology. Now we have to discuss about the regulation of cardiac activity. Regulation of cardiac activity. Human beings contain myogenic heart, hence the heart mostly regulated by the nodal tissue which are present in the cardiac muscles. Already we know that the human heart contain nodal tissue that are mainly divided into two types, that are SA node. SA node. SA node is present in upper right corner of right atrium. Apart from that, we can see the AV node. AV node or atrioventricular node. Atrioventricular node present at lower left end of right atrium. See, actually the action potential is generated by SA node, which leads to contraction of atria. Then that action potential also received by the AV node or atrioventricular node. Then AV node send the action potential to the different parts of the ventricles, which leads to contraction of ventricles. Here the heartbeat is because of the SA node and AV node which are present in the heart muscles or cardiac muscles. Here heartbeat is regulated, or functioning of heart is regulated by the nodal tissue which is present in the heart. Hence this type of hearts are called myogenic hearts. This myogenic heart we can see in mammals like human beings. Few types of animals, lower animals, contain neurogenic heart. In neurogenic heart, the activities of heart are controlled by the mainly neural system. Okay, that is about main regulation of heart. The normal activities of heart regulated by nodal tissue. Then apart from this, there is a special neural center which is present in medulla oblongata region of brain. See, here I have shown medulla oblongata. This is the medulla oblongata region. The neural center actually present in the medulla oblongata region. It can control the cardiac activity, or it can control the heart functioning through the autonomous neural system or autonomous nervous system. Once again, neural center which present in medulla oblongata region of brain can control the heart activity or cardiac activity by autonomic nervous system. Already we know that autonomic nervous system or ANS divided into two parts, that are sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system increase the cardiac activity or heart activity or heartbeat or cardiac output. Then if you see the parasympathetic neural system, it will decrease the heart activity or heartbeat or cardiac output. How the sympathetic neural system increase the cardiac activity? Actually, sympathetic nervous system increase the heartbeat. When heartbeat is increased, what happen? Amount of blood flow to the body parts also increase, which leads to increase of cardiac output. That is about the sympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic nervous system decrease the cardiac activity. How it will decrease the cardiac activity? It will decrease the heartbeat and it will decrease the blood flow to the different body parts also. Hence, we can say that sympathetic nervous system increase the cardiac activity, parasympathetic nervous system decrease the cardiac activity. That is about the control of cardiac activity by the neural system or nervous system. Next, apart from that, few hormones also play important role in the regulation of cardiac activity. There is one gland, the name of the gland is adrenal gland, which is present on the kidney. On the kidney we can see the adrenal gland. If you cut the adrenal gland, it will show the two regions, that is outer cortex. This is the cortex and inner medulla. The medulla region of adrenal gland mainly produces two types of hormones, that is adrenaline and noradrenaline. adrenaline. Adrenaline also called as epinephrine, noradrenaline also called as norepinephrine. This adrenaline and noradrenaline, when they are released into the body or when they are released into the blood, we can see the increase of heartbeat. When heartbeat is increased, the blood flow to the body parts also increase. Hence, we can see the increase of cardiac activity also. Hence, we can say that the adrenaline and noradrenaline, which are produced from the medulla region of adrenal gland, are responsible for the increase of cardiac activity. That is about the regulation of cardiac activity. Here in this class we have discussed about the heart activity mainly regulated by the nodal tissue, that all common functions of heart are regulated by the nodal tissue. Hence human heart is called myogenic heart. Apart from that, the neural system and the hormone endocrine system also used for the regulation of heartbeat. In neural system, there is one region that is called neural center. There is a special neural center which is present in the region that is called medulla oblongata. It can regulate the heart functioning by autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system again contain two parts, that is sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system increase the cardiac activity and parasympathetic nervous system decrease the cardiac activity. Then adrenal gland, which present above the kidney, that is also called as suprarenal gland. The cross section of adrenal gland will show two parts, that is outer cortex and inner medulla. The medulla region of adrenal cortex will produce two types of hormones, that are adrenaline and noradrenaline. This adrenaline also called as epinephrine, noradrenaline also called as norepinephrine. Adrenaline and noradrenaline increase the blood pressure, increase the blood flow to the body parts from heart. It also increase the cardiac output. That is about the regulation of cardiac activity by the different mechanisms in human body. Thank you.